Hello YouTube, I have recently acquired this Tascam TSR-8 Reel. I'm going to be restoring it. I'm going to be doing some videos on how to restore reel-to-reels, what steps you need to take, and yeah, I got this reel-to-reel on eBay. It's got some things missing, like the tape guide there is missing, needs a new pinch roller tyre, and yeah, it only literally needs those two things. I've tested it, it does seem to be working. It all turns on perfectly, and yeah, I'm going to be showing you what your steps you need to take first to restore your reel-to-reel. One of the first steps you've got to do in testing is make sure it works like I know all these LEDs work. Another good way to test if the motors are working, to find out whether these reel motors are working, all you do is lift the tape guides up like that. You see the pinch roller start spinning. You can press play, it starts playing. I'll stop doing that now because that's loose. This is a TSR-8, it's a 1/2 inch reel-to-reel. Judging by, I'll take this off because this needs to come off. I'll be showing you how to clean up parts with deteriorated rubber, because it's really dirty stuff. It gets everywhere as well. Judging by the inside of that, it looks as though this is proper manky and it's not been opened in years. If not, it's not been opened since it was made. So this reel-to-reel started production in 1989, and yeah, it's probably not been opened since then, unless it's had its capstan belt done. Judging by the looks of it, it is actually pretty clean. It's quite clean. There's no marks apart from this, which I noticed, which I may have to repaint because I'm going to be making this look absolutely mint. All the buttons work. Yeah, it's a pretty nice bit of kit. In this video, I'm going to be cleaning out this thoroughly and taking it apart. I'll show you how dirty it is. And yeah, hopefully we can get this working in how it was when it came off of production. First, what you want to do, you want to take these reels off. I don't know why it's not coming off. It's because it's full on heavy. Get this off. And yeah, that's got the original Tascam nab adapters. So yeah, I'm going to start taking it apart now. I'll be back with you when I've got this thing apart. Okay, so from what I can tell, this has never been opened. Actually, those boards are clean. They look like they've been cleaned up. Don't understand why this and that board wouldn't be, unless it's been replaced. So now I've got the top panel off, I will start cleaning the cleaning process. That's getting rid of all the dust and dirt that's built up over the years. I'm actually surprised how clean that board looks. I don't understand why it's that clean. But anyhow, doesn't look like it's blown any fuses, which is good. And these capacitors look like they're all good. Don't look like they're blown. Those look like they're brand new. This is quite interesting. I noticed that the motor is teak. It's from a teak. Maybe teak made teak Tascam, isn't it? So this is actually a teak Tascam model. I've actually owned a teak X10R before. I refurbished it and sold it on. Okay, so clean this compartment out. As you can see, it is looking pretty clean. This is looking a bit bad though. I'm sure it doesn't affect use. I'm pretty sure that's the power supply to the unit. In the past, it's obviously been in for repairs because they won't mark that up one. But yeah, now to the next part. Hello everyone, so today's a different day. And I stopped filming and recording because I was waiting for parts. So this, when I bought it, was missing tape reel guide. It's a tape guide, and the pinch tie was all yeah, it'd gone bad. So I was waiting for this new tyre that I've just cleaned up and put on this. So now we can complete this reel to reel, get it working, clean it up so it looks brand new. And yeah, now from the last video I left off, I was about to take the faceplate off. So that's where I'm going to start this. What I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the knob adapters off, and you will see me taking them off in the next clip. Okay, so I've just tried taking the knob adapters off, and it looks like they're stuck to these metal things, but you can see down the back of them, right, there's a hole in the faceplate, so I might just leave them on, take everything else off. So what I'm going to take off now is the head casing, or the head guard, whatever it's called, and I'll see you very shortly once that's taken off. So just taking it off, there were 2 Allen key screws in the holes there. It just slides off downwards. Here is the heads, it's rather dusty. I'm gonna go clean it up, and where the pinch roller touches the tape, this has got all like disintegrated rubber on that, as you can see. I might give that a quick sand down, this capstan roller. Well, I'm gonna do that when the faceplate's off, so it's easier and I don't get anything else dirty. So now I've got to take off the knobs, all of the knobs, and yes, we'll see very shortly them taken off. So taking all the knobs off, apart from this one. This won't come out because it's behind the faceplate. We'll go ahead and take all the Allen key screws out, and the 2 screws there. Nuts and bolts are out. I'm going to now take off the top part of this. There we go. Let me just put that down. The belt looks new, looks brand new. I'm pretty sure this has had a service, but when they did the service, they was obviously not cleaned it out, which obviously that's what I'm going to be doing. Well, the springs look relatively new. This can come off now. It's cleaned up. All of these knobs are very dirty, like they haven't been cleaned. So I'm going to polish these up, make them look brand new, and clean all the gunk out of this, all the dust and dirt that's built up over the years. Get this looking back to factory condition. First thing I'm going to deal with is this capstan roller. I'm going to clean that off with methylated spirits, and you'll see the difference now. So here I have my cotton bud methylated spirits in a cap, and what I'm going to do is just brush it on. Should take it, see all the black stuff's just coming off easy, and you see there it's black, and it does look like it's got some corrosion. As you can see, it is quite badly corroded. So what I'm going to do with that, I'm going to give it a light sanding with 500s grit sandpaper, and yeah, hopefully that'll clean all the corrosion off. Okay, so this is as far as I'm taking it. Refinished it with 320s, then 500s, then 800s. I'll let focus. I'll show you the worst bit. This is as far as I'm taking it, right? It's just that discoloration from the corrosion. But it does look a lot better. It's not rusty anymore. I think the next thing I'm going to do is going to take care of this, clean it with MF'S, and then I'll move on to the heads and clean those with methylated spirits as well. Okay, so I've now cleaned the heads to be in good condition. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some compressed air and clean everything, just blow everything out with compressed air. So now I have blown the reel to reel out, looking pretty clean. I'm now going to clean these knob adapters and the hubs, make them look super nice, and then yeah, I'll put it all back together and we'll see how she sounds. Okay, so I've just polished all the tape guards and reels. All that's left to do now is clean the faceplate, which is, you can see, is quite dirty, and then put it all back together, like I said before. But I can actually put it back together now. And here is the reel to reel put back together. Well, not fully. I'm just going to test it, and these switches are clean, and then give it full on dust off, like in here on pitch control, and clean that, and then this will be back to working condition if it works, and you can buy it on my eBay account, which I'll drop the link in description. Hello YouTube. So I put this back together, I put the reels on, and it turns out one of the reels is bad and it needs baking, so I'm currently baking it now. I'm going to bake it for 24 hours at 50 degrees, and hopefully that should sort it out. But I thought I should put an end to this video, put it out there, and then if you guys are interested, I can play it with both reels working. And yeah, for now I've just got it running off my PC through my amp, yeah. And yeah, I'm just going to show you how it sounds. So yeah, that's how it sounds. So yeah, that was my first video on the channel. I hope you liked it. I hope you like seeing me pull this Tascam reel to reel apart. If you want to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, all that helps. And you will be seeing me in another video very soon. I'll leave you with that. See you later.